over here, we're coming up to 1 million in score, guys. 982,000. Guys, this is insane. Oh my god. And I had 12,000 coins. Dude, that is insane, guys. And I know things on the top left, I'm getting literally 25 of those. That is insane, guys. 25 of those. That's pretty insane. And my next high score is 1.3 million, which is also extremely perspective. That's 2 million. It's 2,300,000. It's 2,300,000. That's just 40. And then there's another one, 250 million, 205 million, and then that's one, it's 14 million. Top high score. I don't know how long that will take, but it goes in the wall. Obviously, there's more. And guys, I'm just gonna watch an ad, guys. My bad, guys. It doesn't count just cheating, though, guys. It does not count as cheating, though, because anyone can use it and you don't know. I know people with like 2 million, dude. There's no way you can't go on there without using any of these. This would literally be impossible, guys. So they probably use at least an ad. So, guys, ads are allowed, guys. However, once you can't use anymore, your high scores are done. And yeah. Guys, it's still impressive. Even if you do use it, it's still good 1 million scores. It's not going to compute. Because anyone can use it. It doesn't kind of seem to validate it. So guys, they won't count as cheating. The person wants you to keep your high score. So it's sad. But I want to go on and 1,047,000 high score. Guys, the next person is trying to do this, you can do otherwise the score. Go to the challenge, guys. 1 million. I'm going to go as long as possible. I'm going to go as long as possible. I don't want to go too long. Too long because I'm going to also, my god, wait, don't do this. Okay, guys. This is my new high score, guys. Guys, this is insane, guys. Bet I want 3,000 coins, guys. Guys, I'm gonna get so much coins at the end, guys. You don't even know what. Guys, so my high score is now 1.1 million, guys. That is insane, guys. 1.1 million. Guys, look how much coins I have, guys. Plus 50,000 bet. Guys, this is insane, guys. Dude, I know I'm doing 100 reps of push-ups. Let's go, guys. I just get it. Oh my god, guys, this is just insane, guys. Holy shit, bro. This is just insane, guys. I've been going off for like 50 minutes, guys. Oh my god, guys. Guys, let's see if I'm on the leaderboard. Big game, I'm getting so much, guys. Okay, so I'm not up here. Guys, let's see who's on the leaderboard, guys. Guys, where's the leaderboard at, guys? Guys, where's the leaderboard at? Oh, yes, there it is. Guys, look at this. Silver. 1.4 million. What's cool, guys? Guys, please subscribe, guys. This took so long, guys. 1.14 million, guys. Oh my gosh. I am number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.